Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ikhwan Muhammad Zainuddin as a group leader of this project, and I will introduce my company members. First, Muhammad Afiq bin Abdul Aziz as Sales Executive Engineer, and Muhammad Alif Aiman bin Muhammad Nazir as a Project Engineer. Our project is Digital Door System. Now, I will explain the planning of the project from our Gantt chart. For the first day, all of us discuss uh, about our project to design and settle the front page. The second day, Afiq lists all the components that we buy to do the project, and the next day he lists the budget so it can make the process of buying easily. For the fourth day, I start do the Gantt chart, so I will not miss the planning of the process from our project. And finally, Alif Aiman do the simulation circuit to make sure the project will progress steadily. Overall, overall, the Gantt chart help us to planning our project perfectly. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Mama Afiq. I'm going to continue the presentation with the list of budget for the component. As you can see, there's a lot of component. We have switch, resistor, a lot of IC, LED, and also the wire. The next slide also have more components, but I will explain this first. So in this slide, I will show you the price for one unit, the needed unit, and the spare part, and also the total. So as example, I will show you the switch. The switch, the price for one unit is 6 ringgit 50 cents, but we needed 8 units, so the total come to 52 ringgit. We also need to buy spare part so we can prepare for anything can happen. So the total come to 104 ringgit for switch. There's also for resistor, IC, yellow LED, green LED, and wire. So in this slide, you have the other component. We have 7 segment and IC, and here we have the total for all the component needed. So the total cost for all components is 419.38 cents. So when we do a project, there's also other costs like labor costs, transportation costs, installation costs, and maintenance costs. So in this slide, I will explain to you all the other costs. Like one thing is labor cost. In labor cost, we have circuit assembly for the project engineer, installation at site, system testing, documentation, and quotation. So the total labor cost come to 840 ringgit. So the transportation cost is 350 is allocated for delivery and shipping of component from multiple supplier to the project site. We also have installation cost. The transportation cost is 200 ringgit, equipment and material cost, miscellaneous cost. So the total installation cost come to 440 ringgit. So the total for all the costs include with the component come to 3,166 ringgit 28 cents. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and greetings. Today I will explain how this simulation system works in the simplest and easiest way to understand. First, on the left side of the circuit, we have several switches. These switches are used to choose and send signal either on or off. When a switch is pressed, it sends a signal to the IC in the middle section. Next, in the middle part of the circuit, we have several IC such as multiplexer, decoders, buffers, and flip-flops. This section acts as the brain of the entire system. This IC read the signal from the switch process them, store information, and select the correct output. The clock at the bottom provides timing pulse so the system operates step by step in an organized manner. After the signals are processed, they are sent to the output section. On the right side, we can see several LED. These LED light up according to the instructions given by the IC in the middle. If a particular signal is selected, then only the corresponding LED will turn on. Lastly, at the bottom right, there is a 7-segment display. This display shows number based on the binary signal sent from the decoder. For example, if the input is 0001, the display shows the number 1. And if the input is 0100, the display shows the number 4. Overall, the system works like this. The switch sends signals. Next, the IC process them. Next, the LED and 7-segment display show the result. In this way, the user can clearly see how an input is converted into an output through digital logic processing. Thank you. That's all from me.